Hi, I'm Carrie Sundra of Alpenglow Yarn, and I'd like to tell you about my latest tool, the SkeinTwister. The last step in almost every dyer's process is twisting skeins to make them ready for display or shipping. Usually, this is done by hand, in a process that takes a fair bit of training and experience before it can be performed quickly and consistently. Often, humid weather or inexperienced help can cause your skeins to not look their best. Enter the SkeinTwister. I created the SkeinTwister so that whether you're an indie dyer, a yarn company, a mill, or a local yarn shop, your skeins will always look great. To use the SkeinTwister, first clamp it to a sturdy table that won't easily move. Plug in the foot pedal and the power supply. Set the knob to the number of seconds of twist time you need. Place the yarn on the hook. Hold the other end of the skein firmly in one hand, and tap the foot pedal. Hold on, keeping tension on the skein until the twister stops. Use your free hand to hold the middle while you fold the skein in half. Let it twist back up on itself and slide it off the hook. Push the tail of the yarn through the loop you've been holding with your thumbs. And you're done! You can set the knob to a shorter twist time for big jumbo skeins or a longer twist time for small skeins. Long skinny minis might take 2 foot presses to fully twist. Or, if you'd rather have pedal control over the process, you can set it to press and hold mode, so it'll only twist as long as you're pressing the foot pedal. With the SkeinTwister, it's easy to train others to twist your yarn, and your skeins will look great no matter who is doing the twisting or what the weather is like. Go to alpenglowyarn.com to order yours, and check out our other helpful tools that improve your efficiency, like the skein minder. Thanks for watching, and have a colorful day!